Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com and we have been waiting to get our hands on the brand new Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And well, this is the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So what are we waiting for? Let's check it out. So we have the Aura Glow variant of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite and I think it looks great and very similar to Aura Glow Note 10 Plus. Anyway, the Note 10 Lite has the same new rectangular camera setup that we have seen on the Galaxy S10 Lite and the Galaxy A51. And on the front, you have the Super AMOLED display with a center punch hole. It's a 6.7-inch display and well, it's the same striking AMOLED panel we saw in the S10 Lite. There's also the fingerprint scanner on the front, which is an optical sensor and it's worked well so far. Now, all that is great, but we all know what's the highlight of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Well, it's the S Pen. I mean, we recently made a video talking about how the S Pen makes the difference in the Note 10 Lite, and now that we have the phone, we can see why. The S Pen on the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is the same S Pen we have seen on the Galaxy Note 10 flagships, which means it is Bluetooth enabled, has a 0.7mm tip, and has 4096 pressure levels. Now, all the tech aside, the S Pen here brings all of the great features you generally associate with the Galaxy Note. For example, there's my favorite feature, screen off memo. So on the Note 10 Lite, you can just take out your pen and jot down a note without unlocking the phone. You can even keep this note on the lock screen. Now, like the Note flagships, you can just take out the S Pen to also get the Air command with all of the tools. You can create a handwritten note quickly and even convert it to text with ease. You can use the Smart Select feature to capture a screenshot of a particular area and doodle on it, or make a GIF quickly. You can also use Pen Up to get drawing really quickly and create some beautiful arts. There are just so many features that the S Pen brings, and since this is Bluetooth enabled, you can use it as a remote too. So you can use this to capture a photo, switch between the main and the selfie camera, move between photos in gallery, and do a lot more. So this is the same great S Pen that you saw in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but there is one difference. So the Air Actions feature is a bit limited on the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So in the Note 10 Lite, you cannot really use gestures to say switch between the lenses, zoom in, or maybe scroll up and down in the browser. Yeah, these gestures aren't part of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite's S Pen, but honestly, I don't think it's a huge deal because the more useful, more used S Pen features are present. Well, the S Pen on the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is great, but what about the rest of the phone? Well, the rest of the phone is pretty feature-packed too. When it comes to the cameras, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with a 12-megapixel f1.7 primary camera, a 12-megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel f2.2 telephoto. Now, this seems like a capable camera setup, and while I'm yet to truly test it out, here are a few photos I've taken from the Note 10 Lite. Well, the photos from the phone look great. In good light, things are sharp and well-detailed. I also like the dynamic range in this photo. In low light too, the photos are fairly good. The f1.7 aperture means the photos are bright, and I like that, definitely. I also took a couple of photos in the live focus mode and yeah, just check it out. The phone also has the ultra wide angle lens, and as we have seen in Samsung phones off late, the ultra wide angle lens seems really good. I mean, these photos look nice, don't they? But yeah, like I said, it's still pretty early to fully judge things. Apart from this, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite has all of the other camera features like the night mode, the pro mode, and more. On the video front, quite surprisingly, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with 4K at 60 FPS video recording support. Surprising because the Galaxy S10 Lite only records 4K 30 FPS videos. Anyway, this is a 4K 60 FPS video shot from the Galaxy Note 10 Lite and I like the quality here. And the stability is decent too. I mean, there's dual OIS, so it is kind of expected. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite also has the Super Steady mode powered by OIS and it is super impressive. Here's a video I shot from it and yeah, I love how it stabilizes things. Lastly, on the camera front are the selfies. It's a 32-megapixel f2.0 selfie camera we're talking about. And well, here are a few selfies I took from the phone. Overall, the cameras might not be the highlight of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, but yeah, they sure do look promising. Under the hood, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is powered by the Exynos 9810 with up to 8GB RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. Now, I know Exynos 9810 is an older processor and it can't really compete with the flagship chipsets in this price range, but we also know that it is a fairly capable processor. I mean, in my usage so far, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite has been smooth even with all the S Pen testing I've been doing. So yeah, I'm hoping it'll work out just fine. Now, if you're wondering if the Exynos 9810 can handle all the high-end games, well, I played PUBG Mobile on the phone which defaults to high graphics and the performance was great in a couple of sessions I played. Moving on to the software, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with one UI on top of Android 10 and that means you get all of the features you can think of. There's features like the Game Booster for enhanced gaming performance, the Link to Windows feature, decently fast face unlock, the Knox security features and a lot more. Lastly, there's the big battery. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite might be a Lite branded phone, but it's got a not so lightweight 4500 mAh battery which should last pretty long. Plus it has 45-watt charging support and it comes with the same 25-watt charger you get with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the S10 Lite, so yeah, charging should be pretty fast. That was a good look at the brand new Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and the phone has been launched at Rs 38,999 in India. And I think that's a good price for a phone that makes the Note more accessible. I mean, I know the Exynos 9810 is an old chipset, but you know what? Not every phone is about just the processor. Sometimes it's about the experience, and the Galaxy Note 10 Lite brings the Note, aka the S Pen experience, to more people. The Note series has always been aimed at professionals, business people, and the Galaxy Note 10 Lite makes it more accessible to the students. It's about the experience, and for that, I appreciate it. Having said that, yes, I will be using the Note 10 Lite extensively in the next few days to see if it's all as good as it seems. So you know what? Stay tuned for a full review of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Well, those are my first and early thoughts on the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, but what do you think? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.